So did you ever actually get to meet him after you did this?
Who?
John Cena.
Oh, no, of course not. Not yet, I hope.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's a bummer. I mean, I think he posted. Didn't he post about it as well when he found out?
I don't know if he posts for himself, but his page, he put the picture of me on there. And he doesn't say anything. He doesn't caption, he doesn't tag me, nothing.
Because you can't see him.
You can't see him. But I love him. I don't know, man. I don't know what will happen, because if I see him, I'm gonna
You're gonna die? Okay.
I love him a lot. Yeah.
All right, well, it's the first season. He's not here. We have a small budget. But I'm just
probably
saying,
watching.
But wait, see, he's watching, and he's gonna love this moment. And I want you to perform this song, will you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's perform. Come on. You come on over here.
Unajifanya hunioni labda mini John Cena. Ulinifanya fungwa wako labda mini Madiba. Sina plan, sina cash, hata pesa mi sina. Ndo maana unanitreat kama nimekuibia. Lakini mimi nimekupenda though. I don't know why you treat me like a criminal. Hey, we were just together though. I'm the same man, why presidential though? Some man I act rough like John Cena. Some man I get buff like John Cena. We used to be cool when I used to come through. Now you wanna act tough like John Cena. Some wanna act rough like John Cena. Some wanna get
John Cena.
Holy cow!
I will not stop talking until you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's right, and I can talk a lot. Seriously, not gonna stop. Yep, still here, not going anywhere. I see you. Don't walk away from this.